Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So many of you are familiar with this guy right here. This is the brand new GoPro Hero 8. It is a superb video camera. It's amazing. The shots you get with this are amazing. The stabilization is unbelievable. It's like magic. But you know what this camera's not good at is audio. So that means you can catch video with it really well, but not audio, so you're not getting the full package. Well, they have a solution to that right now. It's called the Media Mod, and basically it's a thing that clamps right onto this camera and will give you a shotgun mic and a few outputs on it. It's really cool. We're gonna actually test it today to see how good that audio is. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so here's the package you'll receive when you buy the Media Mod. I bought this on GoPro for $80. I had to pre-order it, so it took a month to get it to me, but I'm happy to have it. Now, when you look at that, you're like, is that worth $80? The answer is probably not, but the value it brings to your GoPro is sort of priceless because now you can get audio and video together. All right, so let's take a quick close look at the Media Mod. The first thing I want to talk about is the ports on the back here. The first port, this round one right here, is actually a 3.5 millimeter audio port, which is great because you can plug any sort of mic in there that's got a 3.5 millimeter jack on it, like something like that. This is a lavalier mic. You could also put a shotgun mic in there. Really gives you lots of options. And keep in mind, if you just had the GoPro, there's nowhere to add any sort of mic to this. So that gives you a lot of options if you don't want to use the mic that's built into the Media Mod. Really convenient. The next one is the USB-C port right here. You can plug a USB-C, plug it into your outlet, and charge the GoPro if it's installed or if you want to do some of those long exposure shots. The last one is this mini HDMI port right here, so you can plug a TV into there or some sort of output and see the display of what you're seeing on the GoPro. That's really convenient. Now, I think that's going to be used with the display mod that has not been released yet. Now, the last two things I want to talk about are these guys right here. These are the two cold shoe mounts. There's one right there and one right there, so you can add those extra mods and attach them right there. I think that's what it's for. One's going to be for the light mod and one's going to be for the display mod, but these cold shoe mounts are standard, so if you have anything that has a cold shoe on it and you can use that, that's really convenient. All right, guys, so let me show you how to insert your GoPro into the Media Mod. It's real simple. What you have to do is first open up the battery compartment door, like so, release the latch. It feels weird the first time you do it. You just kind of gently push it back and it will release. Don't worry, you haven't broken it. You can see I can put it back on like that, lock it in. It's good. No damage there. So do that. Get that door off, not a problem. Now on the Media Mod, what you have to do is you have to open up the door on the bottom. Just pull this guy down, real simple, and we'll open up. Now take your GoPro and gently insert it into the Media Mod. It'll slide in, you'll feel it seat and resist. That's when you've got it inserted properly. Close the door, lock it down, and you're done. All right, guys, now that we've got our Media Mod all set up here, there's only one thing we have to do, and that is find out how much better the audio is with the Media Mod than without it. So we're going to do two tests. The first test is going to be without the Media Mod. The second audio test is going to be with the Media Mod. So let's find out if this thing's worth the $80 we spent. All right, guys, this is what it's all about. This is the first test of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This test is without the Media Mod, no Media Mod. We're trying to get a baseline on what the audio sounds like without the Media Mod. It'll be interesting to see. I'm at about 25 feet, give or take, away from the camera right now. The trampoline's right here. I obviously would love to go and play on the trampoline, but video first. So this should give us a good sense of what the audio sounds like without the Media Mod. Hopefully it won't sound as good as it would with it. We're gonna find out. Let's do it. All right, guys, so this is what the whole video is about right now. I've got the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the Media Mod installed, and we're gonna check out how the audio sounds. Let me move away from the camera just as I did before in test number one without the Media Mod. Hopefully you can hear me pretty well. I'm at about 20 feet now. I'm gonna go all the way back here to the trampoline. This time, I wanna take a turn on the trampoline real quick, show you some of my moves. All right, so I'm not as young as I used to be. Hopefully that gives you a good sense of what the audio sounds like. This thing should rock. I hope it rocks because that will be $80 well spent. Anyway, let me go inside, check it out, and I'll give you the wrap up next. All right, guys, so I just analyzed the footage from the GoPro Hero Black, the footage with and without the mod, and guess what, guys? It turns out I don't think there's that much of a difference. So there is a little bit of an improvement in the audio between 5 and 10 feet with the mod on, which is good. So there was a little bit of improvement. As I got further and further back towards a trampoline, the improvement it just felt like there was nothing there. There was a little bit more of a crispness, I'd call it, with the mod on, so there was an improvement, but the big question is that improvement worth the $80? And I'd have to say for most people, no. For me, I'm going to continue to use the mod because I can justify it with my channel here, but I have to say if I was just using this and wanted to kick it around, I definitely say maybe the mod's not for you. Now, the other thing to consider is with the mod on, the camera's really no longer waterproof, so that might be an issue for some, and since the audio quality wasn't that much better, maybe there's more reason to stay away from the mod than go towards it. Now, if you're going to want to have the light and the LCD display, you're going to need the mod for those shoes, which is pretty nice. The idea is really good. I was just hoping for more. So that's my summary of the GoPro Hero Black Media Mod. Pretty cool idea. All right, guys, so if you've used the GoPro Media Mod, I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know if you've had similar experiences, it was different, whatever it is. We'd love to hear from you. We can all benefit from that information. Great to share, right? Also, if you could, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And guys, with that, I'm out of here.